Hello, my name is Alfonso. I am a student of ISIS Europa, and today I would like to tell you about my school and why I chose this school. ISIS Europa has long been defined as the school of the future, also recognized as a national excellence. My school offers a unique and educational experience on our territory thanks to its study address and relative professional profiles. Also explore that important products and projects created by UC students. For curriculum to choose from, the technical tourist curriculum, the technical graphic curriculum, the professional social medical curriculum, and the professional curriculum of web community commercial services. In our studio, there is the official radio, Radio Europa Live, where the students entertain the broadcaster with information and entertainment programs with interviews with special guests. Thanks for watching and attention. We are waiting for you, ISIS Europa, the School of Opportunities.